Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can put widgets, skins all over your desktop. So it will look like the Android operating system on your phone, if you have an Android phone. So you could put widgets over here like a Gmail widget, Outlook widget, time, date, calendar, all of those things will be like here on your Windows. So if you'd like to do it, then go ahead and open up the internet and search for rainmeter.net. Here, it will open this up. So we want to click on download the final release, but if you want to download the beta version, then go ahead and do it, but there's a few things that might not be completely reliable. So go ahead and click on download final and run. When you click run, it's going to open up this. I'm going to select English because English. Standard is fine. Browse, PC, work, and I've already got a Rainmeter folder here. So we're going to install with 64 and launch it on startup. So click install, installing this, and now run. As you can see here, there's widgets on here. So it shows my CPU usage, RAM, swap usage, the date, and the disks here. So we're going to right click and click unload skin, unload skin, unload skin, and unload skin. There we go. So then you've installed Rainmeter. Now you want to open it up, and when you load it, it'll come over here and click manage. As you can see here, this is the Rainmeter management. You will, when you first load Rainmeter up, you'll get like a few widgets over here which you can get rid of by, so for example there'll be one like this. So the way to get rid of all of these is to right click and do unload skin. So then when you download Rainmeter, it comes with a few custom built-in skins, like the clock here. Load, it will show the clock up there. Google, you can load that, and you can actually search for stuff. You can even load the recycling bin, but it says 0 items in my recycling bin, which is good. You could do welcome and load that, which is to do with this is actually one of the things you'll get when using when you first load Rainmeter, but because I don't want this, so I'm going to unload that. System, I want that, load that, so it shows my CPU usage. So now you just position it where you want, so there, and there. And when you're happy with what you like, you can go ahead and close this, and then to make sure it's nice, you want to right click over here, come to settings, and say unclick draggable. So that means you can't, also you have to do this for each one. You have to do this for each, right click, settings, draggable, right click, settings, right click, settings, draggable, right click, no, right click, settings, and draggable. As you can see, they cannot be dragged. As you can see, these are quite plain and boring. In a later video, I'll be showing you how to download more complex skins from the internet to make your desktop look lovely and beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, please can you subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you.